How to fix green line on Instagram story on Android or iPhone. It's easy. First, just open a Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here and then update it. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. If you have an Android phone, go to settings, scroll down, click apps, and then apps again, and here click Instagram, force stop, and go to storage, clear cache. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. And now just go to permissions and give it all of those permissions here. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, go to storage and clear data and click OK. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And don't forget like and see you in the next video.